Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now drop a comment in the comment section. If you agree with Usain Bolt and the action that he is taking to get either answers, information, justice, or the return of his missing $1 billion worth of investment. Drop a like on the video if you agree to also. May I come here all go on, and then we'll continue the reason. Of course, more want enough to look, and of course, more want enough to listen.
Blessings everybody. So I was going through my Instagram and I saw this. And when I saw it, I immediately went and put my glasses on because I had a bounty killer moment. I could not believe my eyes. So basically, let me explain this for those who don't know. They're saying basically the public outcry of Usain Bolt saying that I lost my money and I need it back, which is fair. It's my money. It's his money. He wants it back. I think that's quite fair. Anybody could agree. You understand? The public outcry could deter foreign investors. Now, while I am not saying that this is wrong, but in the same breath that I don't like how it was worded. I don't like how it sounded. I don't like what they said. Because to me, this sound like when I say, boy, Usain Bolt are the issue, you know. Because him make a bag of the money, a nice over the money where they take from him. You understand? Usain Bolt is the issue. The fire should be put on SSL. The man gave SSL the money so you can invest and you can get some money for the money, some returns. It was an investment. That's what any wise person do when them get them bust in a life. They invest. You understand? And the man give a large amount of money and I like say I want 50 grand Jamaican, I want 60 grand, 100,000 Jamaican. It's millions in USD, perhaps possibly billions in Jamaica. You understand? And this is what I'm going to say. The public outcry is going to... Let me tell you this. Usain Bolt is truly the nicest national treasure that Jamaica could ever produce. Because I can tell you this. If it was any other nigger, including me, Jamaki, it wouldn't have been a public outcry that would have been on the forefront of your brain. You know what would have been? Oh God, we don't have a double down for security. You understand? Because this is nothing but wickedness and tyranny. You get what I say? And I know why this happened, you know. It's because of where Usain Bolt is coming from, his background. Because I can tell you, if this should ever happen to any one of Andrew Holness' sons, or anyone of Mark Golden Pitney, or any one of these high officials, or anybody where them consider to be diplomatic in Jamaica Pitney, it would have been an outrage. Jamaica would turn upside down. But no. Usain Bolt came from a poor background with a poor little family. And he never achieved what he achieved through education or any whatever not. He achieved it because he run fast. Such as sports, athletics. You understand? So therefore we can just take him money and whatever not. You know what else I think? And this is not a fact what I'm about to say. But I do strongly believe, however, and it's got to take Jesus Christ. And not only Jesus, his father would have to follow him and tell me otherwise. That some of Usain Bolt's money was not used to fund political campaigns. Jesus would have to bring his father down here to convince me otherwise. And Selassie would have to bring Empress Menin with him to convince me otherwise. I really do think that's what happened. And remember I say, this is not facts, this is my opinion which I'm entitled to. If you want me to pull up the constitution, well, give me the entitlement there, make you a show now as well. You understand? Anyhow, I do not believe that enough was said on a national treasure, unfortunately and unfairly losing that amount of money. You understand? Losing that amount of money. Me not hear enough from so-called government and even the Prime Minister, me I say. You understand? Even the Prime Minister. I haven't heard. You understand? That is saying something to me and everywhere thinking Jamaican people. You understand? The only thing we need to do is just give back the money where I sclap money. That's all you need to do, you know. And just end it. If you give back your money, I'm telling you something you don't know. Mr. I official, we can find the solution to the problem. The solution to the problem is this. Give back the money where I sclap money and you won't hear no public outcry. Believe me, if you give back your money, stop talking about it. You understand? Don't realize that the man don't even want to enter the media that much. It's because he's getting frustrated now. Because you probably tell the man some bullshit and we probably never hear nothing from you. You understand? This is tyranny. And this is nothing but wickedness. You know, wicked. You know, wicked set of people. And then not about we find money. We found some money. So we are going to give it to SSL so that they can continue the investigation. Continue no more blood clot. What is it? Is SSL a government entity? Answer the question. Is SSL a government entity? Come up now, Mr. Brightman, because of that you use and tricky people, you know. Oh, look at me, I can speak flamboyant. And I can tell you that you're wrong and you have no evidence to prove otherwise. Because you're a peasant and I went to university. And that you use and tricky people, you know. And poor people, I know, so they're just so educated idiot and thief and criminal just like the common man. It's just because a lot of them know wear jacket and tie. That's all, you know. That's the only difference, you know.
Now, it's easy for some people say this and some people say that. Because not for their money. It's easy for people who in support of them party and feel like this whole situation is making it look a certain type of way. And the party for say what them I say. Of course, when we hear people say, the government I say, what Usain Bolt I say, make it look like it is not good for people to invest on the Jamaican island. All I have to say is, well, one, Usain Bolt not talk about investment into the Jamaican island. He might talk about investment in stocks and securities, which was an investment company on the island was supposed to be following regulators' rules. That's what Usain Bolt talk about. Not about investment in Jamaica overall. Of course, clearly Usain Bolt is very much still fully invested in the Jamaican island. He have in properties here, in family live here. But what I mean? Like Usain Bolt has moved Wolipa, athletes and entertainers from the Jamaican island after acquiring the wealth that Usain Bolt has acquired. No, they ever say the wealth that Usain Bolt has acquired because some people are rich like Bolt, nowhere near. But after accumulating certain amount of wealth and fame and money, though we know so them move go live other places. Don't it? Rita Marlin live at Jamaica. For her own personal reasons. You know, whole heap of things go on in Rita Bower, Jamaica. She have her reasons why she not live here. But at the same for whole heap of other people. So, I don't think Usain Bolt says nothing about investing in the Jamaican island because he's still very much invested in the Jamaican island. He still love Jamaica. He's still there. Of course, him travel all over the world. A Bolt, we are talking about a Sir Bolt. But him still love him island of origin. At the company and how the matter was handled, I feel like Bolt I talk about. And of course, it being so close to a general election, both political parties and make it somewhat political. The opposition is saying that this happened on the government's watch. And they are also saying when they are elected, they will do all that they can to make sure they both get some form of justice. Now, of course, the government can't say that because the government is already elected and was unable to give Bolt any type of justice in Bolt's eyes or in Bolt's mind. So when the opposition said this, of course, it's going to make it look away upon the government. But the government can, or members of the government, can then say Bolt and make it political. Now Bolt want back his money. Anybody going to help him, you know? He want help. Get back his money and get answers. The opposition seeking election, thinking smartly, see the opportunity for also not only talk to Bolt, but also talk to the people who are in support of Bolt. They are a political party. Would you expect a political party to speak, but it not have no link or no ties to politics? They are a political party. Everything a political party does is political. But Bolt is not a political party. Bolt is Usain Bolt. Retired track star, superstar, fastest man in the world, title record holder, and that is Bolt. Bolt is not a political entity. I feel like says the government being so busy, being the government for one, getting ready for a general election, and all the other things that we are going. As some people on the Jamaican island that say Jamaica always a keep. Them never focus or pay attention to what take place with Bolt and that company and that investigation. Something. When it is just something, of course, them forward out and talk some things. And that is where them go wrong. Them forward and talk it like them would have handled the situation for Bolt. Then no fear Bolt that said the situation was not handled. Of course, they make it look away. But tell me what you think. Because like some people want to say, just seeing that it is close to a general election, people know when though. But Bolt saying this now when as soon as general election, people are say Bolt shouldn't say it. Me can't agree with that. Me can't agree with that. What I can say is, I would want Bolt to say nothing for try to deter foreign investors from the Jamaican island. I wouldn't agree with him doing that. If Bolt was saying don't invest in the Jamaican island, I wouldn't agree with Bolt. Would have cost Bolt too, if Bolt did say that. But Bolt wasn't saying that. No, Bolt was talking about a company where him did put fee money in. See me? If him not talk about the Jamaican island as an island, then we could say something. But when we hear what Bolt say, it don't sound like a that Bolt say. Tell me if you agree with that. Now, of course, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and theirs, if you want to live, love, and prosper, and also if you want to stay tuned until the reason again. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me your thoughts. You can tell me your thoughts via the comment section so we can continue the reasoning and further the discussion. We can hear what you have to say. We can continue the discussion from the comment section. You can also talk with other people. Now, of course, as I said before, until we reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for you to live, for you to love, and also for you to prosper, and for you to stay tuned.